In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable check to undo on iPhone on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 comes with a new feature that allows you to just check your iPhone to undo any recent action. It could be maybe when you are writing or typing on your iPhone and you made a mistake, then you try to use autocorrection, but this was still wrong. You can just check your iPhone to undo this action on your device. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To enable or disable check to undo on iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you click on that, just scroll down and click on touch. Then once selected touch, scroll down until you get to check to undo. Then make sure this is enabled or disabled depending on your preferences. I can see if you tend to check your iPhone by accident, you can disable check to undo to prevent the undo alert from appearing. And when this is disabled, and if there is any action you took on your iPhone which is accidental, you'll not be able to revert it. But with the check to undo enabled, you will be able to reverse any accidental action on your iPhone instantly. So this I can easily enable or disable check to undo on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.